Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Mac Vismo. Welcome back to the channel. This is a channel where tech is not everything, it's the only thing. And today's video, we're going to talk about things that I carry on me. Wait, maybe I shouldn't talk about it? Hey, too late. I am going to talk about the stuff that I carry on me on a daily, from what to what. So yo, let's cue the intro. Let's cue the intro and get started. So on a daily, you got to carry stuff with you. A mom has everything in her bag. You can pull anything out of a mom's bag. So as a dude that love tech, what do I bring on me on a daily? You about to find out. So this knife, this is a pocket knife made from Gerber. Yeah, power frame knife, really cool. It's not a big bulky knife, but I do use this to cut boxes and stuff like that. Trust me, this comes in handy. It's something bad, I'll cut you, man. I only cut boxes with these. They're very, it's like it's not even there. It looks futuristic. Like look at it. It looks, I got it $7 off Amazon. So yo, check this out. Made by Gerber, and not the food Gerber, okay? Just Gerber. But my next item that I do carry, we need power. Like, we use our cell phones excessively. We got watches, we got Earpods. So what I carry on me is this 5K power bank from Anker. You can get this in Walmart. Anker is very popular brand in electronics in Walmart, you see, but I bought this off Amazon for $39. This is a 5K, which is in geek form is a 5 milliamp power bank. This probably can charge my phone 2 times. Yeah, 2 times. It can charge my cell phone 2 times. So what's so special about this, it comes with a magnetic insert here that if you have an iPhone 12 or 12 Pro Max, your back of your phone comes with a MagSafe. So this stick to it like really well. You just boom, you press that button in the back, get some power in there. You know what I'm saying? Looks like my phone carrying a backpack. What you got in there? This doesn't work on Samsungs. It doesn't. I don't know why, but it doesn't. It will tell you anything for iPhones, but once your iPhone supports wireless charging, then this will work. But it just stick. It's cool. I got the MagSafe case. This is the Apple native silicone case, so it just stick to it like really cool. So yo, I walk around with this thing. I charge my Earpods on it. My watch doesn't charge. It'd be dope if my watch charge on it, but it comes with a USB Type-C port. Press this button, show you the level of power where it is. So I kid you not, my next item that I do carry on me is very inexpensive. A tape measure. I do bring a tape measure with me time to time, because guess what? You never know what you're gonna. No, I'm not a handyman, and no, I don't do constructions. No, I don't do anything that call for measurement. But sometimes I do need measurement to see if I can fit something in my car, or you never know. You may be at work. It's like, let me see what the measurement is right here, sir. No, but this is this is very cheap. It comes with a key ring accessory on there. From here. So my next item that I bring on me daily, it has to be my Apple Watch. This is the Series 6 Apple Watch, the latest out of Apple. I like to personalize it with different bands and stuff like that. The cases that match, you see that right there. Bands, you know what I mean? This is colored leather, so it's not torn. From your point of view, it looks great, don't it? Yeah. I do use the braided band sometimes, but you have to keep washing them because they get so sweaty. And the Apple ones are so expensive, but the one I got is inexpensive. So my Apple Watch, it gives me a reminder, it checks my steps, and it's convenient. I see my messages. I make less contact with my phone. Alright, so I'm a wallet person. If you know me personally, I love wallet. I know I'm kind of old school, but just to make my wallet experience kind of exciting, I moved from a traditional wallet to a tactical wallet. So this one is from Meriden. I want to pronounce that right. The leather one you won't get off Amazon. You get this off their website. This wallet holds up to 12 cards. It has a nice steel frame around it. Actually, I got two. I got the leather, and I got the, I'm not sure what type of material this is. It looks like a cloth material, but it's not a cloth material. But it looks really good, and the leather looks really good. They both hold they hold 12 cards. Your ID go here, and all the cards go here. Right here is a secret cash stash, but if you don't, you can always there's a rubber grip that comes around it. This right here, you put put it on and keep the cash on there, or you keep your cash somewhere else. So these wallets are very fire. My AirPods Pro, I'm a big fan of it. They're very popular. It works on my watch. If I leave my phone, I can listen my music from here. So convenient, right? On here I wrap this with the D brand skin, because it's very smooth and it slides out my pocket easy. I don't have to, the silicone case is kind of stick in there if it gets hot. So definitely recommend the D brand skin. When you order this, you get 2, and this is not sponsored by D brand. This is just a product that I use. I put it on a lot of my electronics. This is the Echo Buds from Amazon Alexa Bud 2. It's a noise canceling, truly wireless, just like the AirPod. I find myself using both, but you know what, I bought it and it's mine, and I'm keeping it. I bring it with me every day. You never know. You might ask me, yo, you got some headphones? I'm like, yo, man, you could use this here for the time being. Make sure you let me get it back after work. And I got to clean it down. Speaking about cleaning it down, the next item that I roll with is these lens cleaning pad. I use it to clean my phone, my watch, my AirPods, you know, wipe with some of that germs. Yes, so I keep a couple of these. I got this from Aldi's. This was like $1 something for a whole pack, maybe of 100 or something like that. Always clean a cleaning cloth. This one is from D brand. I got it with the skin, but I just like the texture of it. You know what I'm saying? Can you? But I do use this to wipe down my tech glasses and stuff. You know, look how shiny it is, man. Can you see it? See how shiny it is? So for the next item that I do rock with is this. No, my bad. This. So this is a mini flashlight. This is from Rovan. This is a titanium. This one run me 89 bucks. The reason why I invested in this, I do use this a lot. Because sometimes when my phone is plugged in and I need the flashlight from my phone, it says it's hot. My phone needs to cool down. What I like with this, it does come with a micro USB charger, has a lithium ion rechargeable battery in there, and it gets bright. Yo, check this out. You quick press it like this a hole. If you quick press it like that, you get the high mode and you release. It doesn't stay on, but then it comes, if you double press it, it gives you different modes. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that's the highest it goes. Titanium, and you know titanium doesn't scratch. It's been in my pocket ever since, and I yet to see a scratch on it. Fire, right? All right, so the next item that I do carry with me on a daily is this right here. This is a mobile game controller from Backbone. I have an unboxing video of it. Normally I go with a more minimal controller, but the reason why I go with this doesn't use battery, so it doesn't demand a lot from me. It doesn't need charging, doesn't need anything. Comes with a lightning connector right here. Has a USB type C to charge your phone, not the controller. It's just a pass-through. It just uses the technology from the phone here to play it, and pretty much every game that I play on my iPhone works with this. A retro game, if it's even my PlayStation remote, the wireless PlayStation, I can play games from my PlayStation with my phone remotely. So it works with Xbox and shit too and stuff like that. So I always keep this on me. This goes for $99. You can get this off Amazon as well. I bought this from Backbone website itself. And I know you're wondering, like, yo, where the hell do you carry all this? Not in my pocket, man. Can't carry all that stuff in my pocket. What I do bring these stuff in is this cool little fanny bag. You can put it around your waist, but you know, once you put it around your waist, this is from Waterfly. Really great. The material is really just cloth, like a regular John Sport bag, but it's very small. You know, I just throw it around my neck like this, wear it like a real G, you know what I mean, and put it right there. You know, in the back, everything fits in here. In the back, I keep my cash and stuff like that. So yeah, it holds everything actually. This goes for $14. It's really strong. The quality of the material, just the way how they design it, is small but compact. I like it. So tactical for a tech guy. So I keep everything in here. And guys, yo, this is my video of all the stuff that I carry on me on a daily. I don't know, you might see something in here you like. So like, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. And again, oh yo, you know, got a little pain in my arm. I did get vaccinated. I got the Moderna. Got my first shot. You know, I know you have your doubts about the vaccine, but trust me, it's better to be vaccinated. Better to be safe than sorry. My mom always say that. So I haven't been infected with the virus, but I took the shot. So I just safe than sorry. You know, precaution is better than cure. You know, so if you don't get, if you prevent yourself, you don't get it. So just be safe out there. It's your boy Visma. See you in the next video. Oh my God.